Let's talk about MDM, the mobile device management concept, very much used in cases of BYOD, bring your own device, and should ideally be used for work from home also if work from home is regular for a set of employees. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you daily see new content on data privacy. And as I said, this video we are going to talk about MDM and its relationship with privacy. Right? So MDM is containerizing and making sure that if you are using your own laptop for corporate work, then it is kept segregated from any other data. So in a way, it is keeping you away from private data. So MDM, though it was initially used with a similar purpose, but has become a critical aspect when it comes to data privacy. The mobile device management tool, a software that you install on your laptop, set it up for your corporate network, and the moment the user double clicks this or starts the software, he has his own secure logins and he gets into his corporate network. There he can decide which system he's going to work on. Everything gets logged. He works on his own laptop, and through a remote connection created by this MDM software, he's logged into the corporate network. He's getting access to the corporate applications, the applications required for his working, and therefore his personal data on his laptop is kept separately, right? So when he does not need to do office work post working hours, the remaining 16 hours, he can continue to use the same device for any other purpose. But when he has to work on the corporate ID, he needs to double click and use the software. It's an ideal thing for remote work and hybrid setups. Why MDM matters for privacy? Well, it's a safety device for privacy when it comes to BYOD and work from home, because it is keeping the personal data of the user separate from the official data. Even if the official data has PIIs into it, it is separate, right? Segregated, containerized, you can say. It enforces things like screen locks. So if you are not using the laptop for some time, it will automatically get locked. Encryption, automatic upgrades of the operating system of the systems that you get to use from your corporate networks. It enables containerization of your corporate data kept separate from the personal data, both of them locked and kept separate from each other. It provides visibility to data access also. So who is accessing, how is it accessing, which part of data is being accessed is made visible using tools like these, the MDMs. And it restricts the data movement outside the MDM. What does it mean? Sort of a DLP, data leak protection. You cannot pull out a file from your MDM and make a copy of it or store it on your personal laptop. You cannot print on your personal printer. So movement of data is restricted within the MDM software's link, which logically is just a link giving you a corporate network or a corporate link to your office network where you have a VDI sort of a thing, virtual desktop infrastructure kind of a thing, through which you are getting into the server or the desktop on which you actually want to work. You can remote wipe corporate data easily without bothering anything for the personal data on the device. MDM is essential to embed privacy by design into device usage. It's the most essential part of privacy because despite having the flexibility of BYOD, use MDM and retain the privacy compliance. The crucial pair of MDM and BYOD works together, where BYOD increases the flexibility. The organization does not need to buy laptops for the user. It reduces the control of the organization. However, with MDM coming in, it organizes it back into a structure, restrict corporate user to a container, not coming out of the container, preventing any data leak, any sharing, or even accidental loss. Except that if it is like done inside the VDI, then no one can help. But not that your children are playing around on the corporate network or when your children are playing around on the personal laptop, there is a risk that they might end up touching the corporate data. It's separate. Even if they by mistake uninstall the MDM software, the software can be reinstalled, the data is safe. Right? It enhances security and control in BYOD. So BYOD that came in for flexibility, and therefore now the MDM adds security and control in that BYOD concept. MDM is not just an IT tool, it is a privacy framework for BYD and work from home situations. Right? So that's about the MDM and relationship between MDM and data privacy and BYOD. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon, subscribe to my channel, and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.